In this video tutorial, we copy a stair. Open the south elevation. We will copy the west-east stair to the upper floors. From the stair menu, open the Stair Manager. The top right portion of the dialog box helps us to copy the stair. Select the mark of the stair from the pull-down menu. As the stair is from level 1, select level 1 for the bottom level. For to bottom level, select level 5. That means the stair will be copied from level 1 to level 5. InstaCrete considers the bottom level of the stair while copying it. Hit the OK button. Go on selecting the floors carefully. Open the Stair Manager. Select the mark from the section, Show Stair Records. The record of the particular stair is shown in the table. Select None for the mark on the 5th floor. Click the OK button. You can see the stair on the 5th floor is deleted.